This is Faiz Mahmood with another lecture of correct use of tenses. Today we will learn future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to express a continuous action in future. Every continuous tense expresses an action which is continuous. If it is in present, it is continued now. If it is in future, it begins and finishes after a given time in future. It began at a particular time and it finishes in future. I shall be boarding a plane this time tomorrow. He is talking right now, but talking about the future at the particular time when something will begin and will finish. We shall be going to Lahore next week. I have planned to go somewhere. Shall be shows a probability of going to Lahore. So it also shows a probability of doing something in future which will begin and finish in a particular period. At a particular period, future continuous also expresses plans which have already been decided. Plans which we have made and we have taken decision to fulfill these plans. This year, principal will be admitting 2000 students to the first year class. It has been planned that this year 2000 students will be admitted. My cousin will be staying with us during the summer vacation. It has been planned that his cousin will come and stay with him in the summer vacation. So, for these actions which have been planned beforehand, we may express these plans and schedules in future. So, there is a definite thing. This shows something which is definite, which is planned. Now, how what we use, how we come to know that this is future continuous tense. We use will be and first form with ing to make future continuous tense and with I and we. First person pronoun, singular and plural, shall, be, and first form plus ing. Like, he will be completing his work by now. And to make negative, we place not between will and be. We place not to make negative between will and be. And to make interrogative, we place will at the start of the sentence before the subject, and after the subject we place be. Will he be completing his work by now? She will be serving the nation sincerely. And to make negative, this not is between will and not. She will not be serving the nation sincerely. And to make interrogative, will before the subject and after the subject be, will she be serving the nation sincerely? They will be playing hide and seek during the picnic. They will not be playing hide and seek during the picnic. Will they be playing hide and seek during the picnic? So, this is the formation of future continuous tense. Thank you very much for watching. We will be here with other tenses. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.